Hey guys, what's going on? Jeb here, and in today's video, I am going to be giving you my Ethereum price prediction because as you've probably noticed, the last 13 days, Ethereum has been rallying. We've rallied all the way from $1,700 to where we sit right now, close to $2,700. In this video, we're going to be answering the question, is a $3,000 Ethereum right around the corner? I know you guys are excited for the alpha of altcoins, so without much further ado, guys, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. As you guys can see, Ethereum has rallied from a local low of 1750 all the way up to where it currently trades right now. Just 12 days, Ethereum rallied 50%. The price has gone up by 50% leading up to the EIP 1559 launch in the London hard fork, which will be coming out on the 4th, 2 days from now. So the question on the table is this: is Ethereum about to have a massive rally leading up to EIP 1559, and will the rally continue through EIP 1559, or will this be a buy the rumor, sell the news event where Ethereum might have a major drop-off after the launch actually occurs? Well, let's look at some technicals. Number one, the TD sequential says that we have been overextended ever since the 29th of July, which was 4 days ago, and we have rallied quite far beyond that. In fact, we just uploaded a new video to the Cryptocurrency Technical Analysis Academy on the TD sequential, so make sure to check out CT2A for that update if you haven't already, because in that video over in CT2A, I talked about how whenever you go 3 days after a 9 flash on TD, you're generally speaking going to see the color change like we see right here for today. This indicates that TD sequential is saying, no guys, seriously, pump the brakes. We need to chill. We've rallied too far too quickly and we're getting ahead of ourselves. That's what we're seeing happen right here. Ethereum's getting ahead of itself. We can also look at the Bollinger Bands and we'll see that Ethereum has been riding the outer Bollinger Bands for the last week, indicating that yes, we're very bullish, but also yes, we are in need of a correction. We can also see that the MACD is very bullish. We've been diverging for over 10 days now. That's a very strong sign for the bulls, and the RSI is sitting up around 73. Now, RSI sitting between 60 and 75 is actually relatively healthy. It indicates that the bulls are in charge. I mean, if you'll notice, the last time that we saw RSI rally above 70 was several months ago, and during that time, RSI was indicating that we were in a big rally. We hit all-time high back then. I'm actually not upset that RSI has rallied so far, but it does indicate that we need a short-term correction. So, looking down on the 4-hourly chart, we can also see that Ethereum broke bullish out of this symmetrical triangle pattern that I showed you guys last week. In fact, I talked about last week how this symmetrical triangle pattern predicted that we would be heading towards $3,000. We've already gone through most of that rally. We're only a couple $100 away from 3K now, so the question is that where we're heading next? Well, if we look on the daily chart, we can see that Ethereum actually did something very powerful just about a week and a half ago. We broke above the 20 daily exponential moving average. On top of that, as of 2 days ago, we've also broken above the 100 daily simple moving average that you can see right here. This is a very good sign for anyone who is invested in Ethereum because it means that we've broken one of the critical levels of support that you generally speaking will see the market maintain above during a bull market and during an uptrend. And that's not even to mention that Ethereum has now set a higher high. Our previous high was sitting around $2,400. Now our current high is $2,700. We are in a strong uptrend on Ethereum. The bullish RSI divergence we talked about is coming to pass. The bullish engulfing candlestick pattern we talked about is coming to pass. And the double bottom pattern that we talked about, all three are coming to pass. So is Ethereum headed to $3,000 in the next 2 days? And can we maintain this momentum through EIP 1559? Here's my take, guys. EIP 1559 is one of the long-awaited updates to Ethereum that I don't have time to go into in today's video, but you probably heard about it. It basically stabilizes the fee market for Ethereum, and it's also going to cause some burning of Ethereum fees, reducing the inflation of Ethereum and helping with its tokenomics. Ethereum is going to benefit from this update. It's one of the major stepping stones towards Ethereum 2.0, which, as you know, is critical for the future price action of this cryptocurrency. Now, the question is, can this market sustain its upward momentum through that launch? Personally, I think that this is going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news event. I could very easily see us rallying for the next couple of days, maybe even all the way up to $3,000. But the problem is this: we've already rallied 50% in 12 days. Remember how we got into this situation of a 2.5-month downtrend in the first place? We rallied too quickly and we didn't have any corrections. We rallied on Bitcoin in between October and April, and during that time we saw no major corrections. I'm worried that we might be seeing something similar on a smaller scale right now on Ethereum. In fact, I would go so far as to say I want Ethereum to correct down to $2,400. I'll show you why on the chart. This level of $2,400 is our previous resistance. I would love to see Ethereum come down here and use previous resistance as new support. That would solidify in my mind that we are in an uptrend and that we can be confident in that uptrend. But the problem is this, guys. There's a lot of exuberance in the market right now. There's a lot of people that are very excited about Ethereum right now. There are a lot of people that have been craving bullishness for the last months as the market has been tanking. So now that there's some kind of bullishness, is tantalizingly close, that $3,000 level, everybody's very excited about it. Honestly speaking, I could very easily see us going to $3,000 before August the 4th comes to pass. But after that, guys, I think a big correction is in order, and I wouldn't be surprised after August the 4th to see up to a 25% correction from $3,000, maybe down to $2,400, maybe a 20% correction from $28 down to $23, something like that, I think is in the cards. But here's the good news. No matter whether we continue to rally for the next 2 days or have a correction later on this week, this is a fundamentally and technically amazing movement for Ethereum. Short term, we're looking very, very good because Ethereum is doing very well. And long term, we're also looking very good because the fundamentals on Ethereum are doing very well. So my price prediction is this. I think we're going to $3,000 by the end of the week, but then we're probably going to have a big dump. From there, we'll probably enter a major uptrend on the entire cryptocurrency market. But that's all I got for you today. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to smash that like button. Consider subscribing. And also sign up for Lux Algo. The link for Lux Algo is in the description box down below. I'm getting texts about it right now from all the people who are loving Lux Algo so much. You know, whenever there's a technical difficulty, you just kind of got to make fun of it and accept it rather than letting it ruin your flow. So guys, if you enjoyed today's stream, make sure to smash that like button. Also subscribe and tune in 9:30 Eastern Standard Time every single day, Monday through Friday, for Coffee and Crypto Live. Before I go though, guys, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.